Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be working on a 2016 Subaru Legacy. Right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing LED lights into the low beams, and then pretty much I'm just going to show you guys how it's done. I'm going to show you the before and after, and let's go. Okay, so here's the car. I just turned on the low beams just to kind of show you guys what it looks like. So as you can tell, the sea lights are way more whiter than the low beams. The low beams are like that ugly yellow stock halogen color. I don't like it at all. So what I'm gonna be installing is some H11s, Beam Tech. I have these on my Debrex and on my other Chevy, and they're fine. They work fine. They look good. So let me pop the hood and get this thing started. Okay, let's turn off the lights. Gotta give it a second to cool off so I don't burn my fingers, and then I won't be able to work anything. Won't be able to do anything. Okay, so here, so that's the high beams right there. Those are 9005s in case you're wondering if you ever want to change your high beams. And here are the low beams right here. So these are H11s. So just twist to the left. They're kind of hot now, so I'm going to try to touch them. Okay, so these are H11s. Here are my lights. Just your standard LEDs with the little heat sink so they don't get all, hot. And I think these come with a 2-year warranty. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these should come with a 2-year warranty. Okay, so this is pretty easy to do. And these only go in one way. So just put it in, twist it to the right, and just plug it in. Okay, now I'm gonna go turn on the lights so we can actually see if everything is plugged in right, if they're working. I can already tell. Oh yeah, they look so much better. Like, check this out. This is the regular stock halogens right there. Nice yellow color. I'm just kidding about the yellow color. I don't like it. And here are the LEDs. Beautiful, crisp blue color. It's like a white blue. Now it actually makes these sea lights look a little bit more whiter. And then but at least it's not yellow, so it matches really nice. All right, I'm gonna turn off the lights and change the other side. On the 2015 Legacy, these are so hard to reach, but on this one they actually made it a lot easier, which is really awesome. Okay, so it's looking up. Same way here. Okay, now all we gotta do is just plug it in. Okay, apparently I plugged it in the wrong way. So unplug it and turn the plug. There you go. Beautiful. I used to use HIDs in all my cars and stuff, but LEDs, what I like about them is they're instant on and off. See? There is no warm-up time at all. So the light output is nice. You'll be able to see a lot better at night. And it makes the car look a lot better. Fairly easy to do, really quick, really inexpensive, and it changes the whole look of the car. It makes it look a lot better, and you got better light output. So, alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. My next video is gonna be me installing the visor strip on this car, and I'm gonna do overlays. So the customer wants to cover up that orange on the headlights. So I'm gonna put vinyl overlays in that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I'll see you guys in the next video.